You're a homeschool parent, and maybe you're looking for a way to make extra money while you're home and homeschooling. I get it. Hey guys, welcome. If you're new here and you don't know who I am, I'm Christine. I'm owner and content creator of bloomingbrilliant.net, where I share educational resources, parenting advice, and of course, information about homeschooling. I'm a homeschool mom of 2. I homeschool my daughter who is 13 and my son who is 9 right here in Brooklyn, New York, and I love to share our journey with you. If you like learning about homeschooling or interested in homeschooling, make sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell so you're alerted when we post new videos. So today I'm going to share some ways that you can earn money as a homeschool parent. Let's get into it. There's so many ways to make money from home, but a lot of them feel really gimmicky and scammy, and you kind of got to be careful when it comes to things like that. I've been through a lot of different things when it came to starting out homeschooling and trying to find a way to bring in income. Because again, I'm a solo mom. Bringing in an income is really important. So I currently now work full-time for a company remotely. And I highly recommend that if you could find a company that, lets you work remotely. Luckily, that's more popular nowadays. That's really good to have a stable paycheck coming in. But there's so many other ways that are reputable that can bring in some income. Things like when shopping using Rakuten or Ibotta are great ways to bring in some money, some extra money, but there's also real, genuine ways to bring in money that is more than just a few dollars and cents. Now, recently I shared what it's like to be a homeschool influencer, but it is a really valid option if you want to make money from home while you're homeschooling. Sharing your journey, sharing your experience, sharing your knowledge online, whether it is via YouTube or on a blog or just on social media, you can bring in income that way. However, I did talk a lot about different things in that video where I shared what it's like to do this. It is a lot of work, and it isn't a guaranteed paycheck either. However, if you do go that route, some ways that you can actually earn money is by creating content and getting ad revenue, creating content working with brands and sponsorships, having products of your own that you create, as well as advertising and an affiliate income, which means people shop using referral codes that you have or referral links, and you earn an income from like a small commission from things they have purchased. So I touched a little bit on creating your own products, but you can create products and sell them on Etsy and other online marketplaces. And that's a really valid way to bring in an income. Again, it's a little bit harder because it's not a stable thing that you could count on. You have to do a lot of work promoting your products and getting them out there in order to see a return on all that work you're putting into it. Another way that you can earn income while you're homeschooling is to become a virtual assistant. A lot of people look for virtual assistants to help them schedule things, to create things for them. So if you're tech savvy, there is definitely a business for you in the virtual assistant market. Another way you can earn income from home as a homeschooler is to offer online tutoring, teaching. You could think of platforms like OutSchool or even AllSchool. Both of them are online platforms that connect teachers with students. So if you are looking for to tutor kids or to teach a class, those are great ways in order to earn income by teaching. Another way you can make money from home while you're homeschooling is to create books. If you're interested in more information on this, let me know in the comments below, because I've been talking a little bit about how I earned some income using Amazon KDP, which is Kindle Direct Publishing. But there's also a way that you don't have to make paperback books like I do. You can actually make digital books, so ebooks, and you can actually write out real stories and things like that. So self-publishing is a great way to make a side income, although like everything else, it does take some work because you have to promote and you have to, you know, wait to see like sales start coming in. These were just a few ways you could earn income from home while you're homeschooling. If you're interested in more videos like this, more information about running a business or doing things online in order to make an extra income, let me know in the comment section below and we can chat more about this. I can create more videos and we can talk more about all the things when it comes to like blogging or YouTubing or creating books on KDP. I would love to share that stuff with you. So let me know in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up. If you think that this can help anyone else, please share. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe because that really would help you see more of our videos. Also, if you ring that notification bell too. I'll see you next time. Happy homeschooling.